fellow artist to Kimiko Arts. Today, we are going to learn how to make a magical unicorn Mother's Day card. Being a mom is one of the most rewarding jobs in the world, but it's also one of the most challenging. You can use this card to make your mom or an extraordinary person in your life feel extra special and really appreciated for all that they do. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need 2 pieces of paper for the card, a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have 2 ready in case one breaks, a black marker with an extra fine tip for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines we made to give our card an exceptional and cartoony look. So to start out for this card, you are going to take a few pieces of white paper. You have it, and you're going to make the card first. So we have to fold the paper. So you're going to line up the corners and put your finger in the center at the top there, and then use your other finger to draw down the middle. And then you're just going to use your finger to fold along the edge there, and that will help you create a card that's even where the corners are aligned. So the reason why I have these papers underneath is because if you're using marker like me, then the marker will leak through onto the inside of the card, and we want to avoid that from happening. So next we're going to draw the lettering on our card. Before I do that, I might just lightly sketch a few lines, just 2, for my writing to make sure it's nice and even. You can also use a ruler to do that. So after I've done that, I'm gonna write mommy in my neatest printing. You are my unicorn with an exclamation mark. Now I'm gonna draw my unicorn. So this is gonna be a profile of a unicorn, so it's gonna be a little bit easier than drawing the whole unicorn. The first thing I'm gonna do is draw the basic shape for the face of the unicorn. So that's just gonna be a curved line like this. And then after I have that, I can just kind of sketch in where I'm gonna actually draw that horn coming out, which is gonna be 2 lines joined together. Then I'm gonna add a curved line coming from the back, and that's gonna be where the mane kind of goes. Next, I'm gonna add 2 ellipse shapes for each ear. And then a little bit more definition to the profile of the unicorn's face or head. Then a curved line that kind of curves in and down for the neck. Now I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the face. So I'm going to add a circle with a little curved line for the nostril, and then a gentle smile for our unicorn, a circle for the eye, the cheek, and then a curved line with a few other lines coming down for the eyelashes, and then lines going down like this, slightly curved, for the unicorn horn. Then I'm gonna add the hair, so I'm gonna add a curved shape for the bangs, and then a few more curved shapes. Now this is where it can kind of get fun, because they don't have to be completely perfect, but we just want to give the idea of a very cool looking mane. And there you go. So you just want to make it seem a little bit full.
by adding a few curve lines here and there. So once I have that done, you are ready to outline.
Take your ultra-fine black Sharpie marker and carefully outline the unicorn and the letters. Now it's time to erase all of our pencil lines to reveal a magical Mother's Day card. Now that you have finished the front of your card, you can move on to the inside. Remove the extra pieces of paper you had on the inside and put them underneath your card. This will prevent any marker from leaking through onto your table surface. Write a personal message inside letting your mom know how special she is, and specifically tell her she is magical to make the connection to the unicorn. You can also write who the card is addressed to, a personal message like how much you love your mom, or what you want to thank her for, and who the card is from, which is you. Adding a few of your own words is a great way to let your mom know you really appreciate her and all that she does. I've completed a sample to give you some ideas. You can use this as a guide to complete your own. Now that you've finished writing on the inside of the card, read it over to make sure it makes sense and to be sure you haven't forgotten anything. Take your extra fine Sharpie marker and outline all the text to help it really pop. Now that you've finished outlining the text, carefully erase all of the pencil. There you have it, a dazzling unicorn Mother's Day card. To make the front of your card look extra appealing, you can add bright colors or some of your mom's favorite colors. Then, once you're finished coloring, you can give your card to your amazing mom or that special person you had in mind. Good work! Hopefully, your card turned out magnificent. If not, that's definitely okay. Mothers appreciate the intent behind the things that you do, which makes this card super special. If yours didn't work out, try it again, and with practice, your drawing skills will improve and get better. And pretty soon, the sky will be the limit and you'll be able to draw just about anything. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me.
Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.